standpoint of universities, you can't get anything nowadays. I mean, the administrators don't have any money to give out. And when they do have money to give out, they're going to ask a lot about numbers, how many students are going to. And falsely, they do believe that Yiddish will not have numbers. You know, I mean, I think Yiddish does have numbers, but they just see it as this very esoteric language that, you know, two people in the world speak, and that, you know, and they'll have like one student in a class. That's what a dean's idea is about Yiddish. Even though they may have positive feelings about it, but they're strapped by the demands now to show numbers of students in classes. So it's hard to sell a Yiddish position to a university administrator. Okay, so the way you do it is by coming in with a major gift, but it's very hard to sell it to donors, unless the donor happens to be an insane Yiddishist. You know, then they say this is what they want, but there's not a lot of those people left, and that's the question of luck. So I'm pessimistic now about the future of Yiddish in the academy, because I'm pessimistic about everything in the academy right now. Things really have to fight to hold their own.